Hi guys, welcome to my channel Nanotech. Today I will show you how to change display Samsung Galaxy A5 mobile and fixed the battery problem. So now I will heat up the display with my hot air gun. You can see I'm heating the display. You need a hot gun for this or the hair dry machine. Okay, the display is broken, that's why it's very easily get out. And before change this display, it's not first time. You can see that this display is very simple and slim. So you can see the display is totally broken and is part to part open. So I open with like this is still. You can see open it very carefully. You can see before someone changed the display and put the glue. So I have heat up and the clean. So I have the new display now. I keep the new display and check before close the mobile. Check the display is working or not. Okay, I have put the display connector with the mobile phone, and now maybe no charge, have battery problem maybe. Okay, now I put the charger. You can see the charger battery icon is flashing. That's mean battery have problem. You can see it's not charging, not show the your mobile is charging. Just a battery icon is flashing. That's mean charger have connection but battery not charging. So now I will open the laptop, the mobile. Okay, first I remove the display. Okay, then I remove all the screw. You can see. Okay, be careful. You press it down and remove all the SIM card and memory card. Very slowly. Do not fast. If you do fast, then will be damage something. Okay, it's open now. I check the battery connector. Okay, now I put the battery and check it again. Also the same problem. That's mean battery have problem. Okay, now I will open the battery and see the connector is problem or not. First I have to remove the display. Okay, remove the battery. I think the battery is also changed before. It's not original battery. You can see the battery connector have damage. Connector is disconnected. That's why the mobile is not charging. Okay, now I will fix it. First you have to clean the connecting. The connector is very problem because the connector is plastic, inside have wire. You have to remove plastic first, then you soldering the battery connector. If you want, you can change the battery. I think I can fix this connector, battery connector. Okay, now I will soldering with the battery. You can see okay, I have soldering finished. Now I will check, put the battery with the mobile and put the connector. And put the display and check it working or not. And press the power button. If you see it's working, this means the battery problem is solved. So battery is okay now and the mobile is working. You can see display. Is working also. Okay. Okay, now I will put the glue. This glue is only for mobile phone display. Put the glue is very careful. Don't put too much glue because this display is very slim. And this glue is very good quality. Okay, now I will put the display. First you have to remove this display sticker and put the display cable, display connector, and then be careful, very slowly you put the display and put the home button. If you forget to put home button, you need to open display again and need to fix it, maybe damage your display, because this display is very slim and very soft and very expensive also. Press it slowly and fitting the display. You can see some glue is come out, no problem, after you can clean it. First you have to press all the corner, all the side, and get down the display. And you need some rubber like this, and keep the rubber with your display, because the display will fixed is very good if you use the rubber. I hope you understand. Keep it your mobile like this 3-4 hours. Don't touch. After you keep elastic rubber, don't touch your mobile. Don't open the elastic is because the glue will be strong after 2-3 hours. Okay, I have put all the side. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.